Great. Today we are here at Operation Convergent Response 2018 with some guests from AJEX and from representing CIMA, which is the Channel Industries Mutual Aid Organization. We have here Justin Cox as our guest, and he is the chairman of CIMA. And we'd like to ask you, Justin, could you please explain what CIMA is and why you were interested in coming here to see Operation Convergent Response?
So thank you for the invite to OCR. CIMA, Channel Industries Mutual Aid, is a mutual aid organization, the largest mutual aid organization, industrial side, in the United States. Currently we have approximately 110 companies. That's including private entities, municipal fire departments, as well as governmental agencies. So what we are there for is a mutual aid response. So any stricken facility that lays within our boundaries, we have 4 zones, geographical zones. Any of those companies that have a worst case scenario or any kind of incident requiring mutual aid assistance, CIMA is there for them. So at a drop of a hat, typically within 30 minutes, we'll have 20 to 30 pieces of apparatus responding to their location. It's all industrial and municipal. So OCR, I'm really looking forward to the technological advances that have come to light, and how us as industry and municipal fire departments can get out there a whole lot faster, get detection done, get some reconnaissance done at a rapid rate, and get a game plan together.
And one last question, can you explain a little bit how the channel industries in particular are have heightened attention to potential emergencies or disasters versus maybe your typical manufacturing industry?
The world we live in today, obviously, with everything that goes on, active shooter threats, nuclear detonations, such chemical, biological warfare, us being the chemical side of things, having to protect our assets at all costs, and having outside threats as a potential at any given time, really magnifies why OCR is important to us, because all the security measures that need to go in, all the cameras, the drones, everything that's out here is going to be a great asset to our response.
And we have here Thomas Ventilette, who's the CEO of AJEX Technologies. Tom, maybe you can just say a few words about what AJEX does and our role here at OCR.
So at AJEX we build obviously intrinsically safe tablets. They're designed to go anywhere at any time. They will never give off enough heat or spark to ignite a volatile atmosphere. So whether or not they're volatile gases or even toxic gases that may be present, the key is to provide a clear operational picture for those people deployed in those environments. Basis, maintenance rounds, operations rounds, guys doing health and safety inspections and so forth. All that is really captured. We can timestamp it. We have a great accountability. Things were actually done. So if an accident were to occur, instantly we've got access to great historical information of where fire suppression systems may be or otherwise, access maps, data, and so forth, and feed that same information out live during a disaster scenario. Additionally, our new NextView line of sensors enables first responders to rapidly pull out of their trunk and configure an arrangement of sensors relevant to that area. Whether or not it's a chlorine spill, that might be relevant at this moment. Next time, it might be some other type of leak that we're trying to monitor to make sure that the first responders, people that are there to save us, they're not walking into danger. We're keeping them safe, and that operating environment, go in, rescue victims, trap people, otherwise. All of that, arming everybody with those tools so they all remain connected. I good? All right.
And Justin, one last question. What are you most looking forward to seeing here at Operation Convergent Response this week?
There's such a wide variety of things to look forward to, but one of the biggest things that I'm looking forward to is how to respond from a channel industry standpoint to a active shooter situation, as well as the technology and the assets that are available outside the CIMA organization to all of our member companies that's out there, and we can get our hands on, and that's what it's inspiring.
Great, thank you. Thank you.
Okay.